Hi there, I'm David from Rubus, and today I'll give you a brief tutorial on how to get your first successful print. I am assuming no previous experience with 3D printer. However, I assume that you have already built your Tevo Tarantula printer, or you have a pre-made printer ready for printing. This video will be split up into two parts. In the first part, we will level our 3D printer, and in the second part, I'll walk you through the steps of turning a geometry on the computer into a 3D printable file. To preheat our extruder and bed, we will first go into prepare and then go to prepare PLA. In this tutorial we'll be printing with PLA. Now, as soon as we preheat our nozzle, we need to ensure that our extruder fan is also on. So we go to control, temperature, fan speed, and set the fan speed to 255. This is to avoid the extruder from clogging. I like to apply some painter's tape before I get started to print, because this helps with the adhesion between the print material and our filament. Once that is done, we will now home in our axes. So go to prepare, home, or axis. Notice that our x-axis is -11 and our y-axis is -41, and our z-axis is 0.8. These are the default offsets in the firmware. So let's see where our printer 0 actually lies in the XY plane. So to do this, we will set our x-axis to 0 and our y-axis to 0 as well. To do this, press the button, go to prepare, move axis, move by 1 mil. So go to X and let's move up, and then it automatically goes to 0. Similarly for Y, that goes to 0 as well. And now let's have a look at our printer to see if it is actually at that position. And it would seem that the nozzle is in the correct position. Now we will try to level our printer. So we will use a piece of paper, just your regular A4 office paper, like this. Usually the thickness of A4 papers, they're around 0.1 millimeters. So we will use that as a guide to the thickness, to the height of our printer. So since we're using a 0.1 millimeter thick piece of paper, we will make our z-axis also 0.1 millimeter. So we go to move axis, and then go move 0.1 millimeters and move z-axis. Now we will go to 0.1. Yeah. So now our printer height is at 0.1 millimeters, and let's disable the stapler motor so we can use our hands to slide the motors. Here's the finished print. Notice that the colors are different. This is because I actually finished the orange filament before the print has completed, so I had to change the filament during the print. Sometimes the PLA sticks to the bit quite well, so use a screwdriver or other tools to pry gently. Just give it a little bit of a push, and yeah, this one is stuck on quite well, so yeah. So